Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix RAM not working. First, always ensure your RAM modules are firmly seated in their slots. Sometimes a simple reseat is all it takes. Next, check that your power supply unit, or PSU, delivers enough power for all your components. Finally, confirm your RAM is fully compatible with your motherboard and processor to avoid any hardware conflicts. These initial checks can often resolve common issues quickly. Once initial checks are done, it's time to test individual RAM modules. Install one stick of RAM at a time and see if your system boots. This helps identify if a specific module is causing the problem. Also, try using different RAM slots on your motherboard, as a faulty slot can mimic bad RAM. Running a memory diagnostic tool like Windows Memory Diagnostic can also help scan for hidden errors. If the problem persists, let's move to some advanced system checks. Updating your motherboard's BIOS to the latest version can often improve RAM compatibility and stability. You might also try resetting your computer's CMOS settings, which reverts all BIOS settings to their factory defaults. Lastly, carefully inspect your RAM slots for any dust, debris, or bent pins that could be preventing proper contact with the modules. If all troubleshooting steps fail, it might be time to consider replacing the suspected faulty RAM modules with new, compatible ones. Always refer to your motherboard manual for specific RAM configurations and supported speeds. If you're still experiencing issues after trying these steps, don't hesitate to seek professional technical assistance. A qualified technician can provide a more in-depth diagnosis and solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.